Hi guys, hello, welcome back to Rosso Model channel. How are you today? Do you feel fine? That's very good. Today one more part with the Pista. After we put the wheel, as you can see, now it's good time to show you how I handle with the clear parts. The clear parts of Alpha model, it's a little bit different from a few kits like Tamiya and Hiroshima. I will show you my technique, how I handle with the clear parts of Alpha model. I think it's good technique. You will see it and you will enjoy. Also, I think we have one more parts and we will finish this amazing project and we will start a new one. I promise you, each Friday new video for you guys, and it's awesome to see how the channel growing. Thank you very much for all the people that joined to the club and joined to this channel. It's very important to the community that people want to build, also see it and learn and subscribe to this channel, guys. Yes, it's very important. So yes, let's start. No need to talk too much because you already know me and I know you. So let's continue and enjoy. I hope that you will see it from a different point of view and you will enjoy to see what I'm doing with my hand, with my glue and with my style. Okay guys, let's start. Enjoy Rosso Model channel. Bye. Yes guys, we can start working on this amazing Pista. I have to say this is look beautiful, and I think it's a very nice kit. As you can see, it's look fantastic, guys. So as I say, today we will focus on the clear parts of the car. I think it will be awesome, but before it I want to do with you the tail lights over there. I already painted in clear red, as you can see, and also I will show you something. Do you see? This is the inside of the LED inside. Okay, what I do to create this amazing black is, as you can see, it's clear and here it's black. What I do, I just paint the bottom and then it will create wonderful thing outside. You see the reflection, and this will be awesome. Okay, this is supposed to sit inside. I will put little bit glue. I use a clear glue. I will put it over there on a piece of paper, and I will put with the toothpick little bit inside in the lamp inside. Okay, everybody see what I'm doing? Put inside. I don't care because it's when it's cured it will be clear, so I don't care. I just take one of the lamp and push it inside. Okay, I push it inside and look how much beautiful is it, guys. Do you see? You see the white over there? It will clear, it will cure and clear. Let me do the other one and we will start the clear parts for the people that all the time struggling with the clear parts. I will try to do my best. I know that I do many videos about it, but still, each time that you see the process, it's glue awesome. So now let's put it over there. Okay, what I will do, use little bit glue from both sides. I will put on the area over there like that, and I take a little bit more and put it in the other one. Okay, like that. I hope that you can see what I'm doing. And now it's good time to place it. Super easy, guys. Awesome. Let's take the other one, the same technique, and push it inside, guys. Do you see it? Now you see the black with the red, and I think it's awesome. You can try to do it. Let me know if you will succeed, and if not, I'm here to help you. Okay, so the important moment of this video, it's, wait a second, I will fix everything that you will see also. Okay, imagine that you want to put the front windshield. Okay, what I do, I use 2 cotton swab, and I use super glue with new piece of paper. Okay, I will put it here and we will talk about it. Okay guys, as you can see, this is the clear parts. What I will do, I will remove one of them and see. Okay, this is the clear parts that I want to glue. In both sides they have a film, so keep attention on that. Need some knife to remove it. Do it slowly. As you can see. Okay, remove it only from one side, because after the glue and it will be, and you can remove the other side. But before it, let's make a test fit to verify how it's things going. Okay, everybody see what I'm doing? I'm just verified everything in place and I'm happy with the result. Okay, now before you glue it to the car, you need glue the mirror over there. Okay, the mirror. Okay, what I will do, I will show you a nice technique without any mess of gluing. What I do is take a small piece of double side sticker. That's all I need, and I will glue it. I cut it to the shape of the mirror, more or less, and then what I will do, it's remove the film. Okay, take it over there. I can remove it a little bit more. Yes, this will be also okay. It's strong enough to hold the mirror, because the mirror is weight nothing. Okay, do you see what I'm doing? Now let's remove the other area. Take your time. Okay, good. Now all you need to do is come with the mirror and put it in the right place, that you will be happy with the result, guys. Okay, everybody see? Try not to touch a lot here, because it will leave a fingerprint and we don't want a fingerprint on the model. Okay, so now what I will do, I will leave it beside. I will take little bit glue and we do it in two steps. Okay guys, and I will explain you. If I want to glue the mirror, I know it can bend in. Okay, so what I will do, I will put glue in this area, and after that it will cure, and I will put glue in this area and then flip it, and you will see it and enjoy. Okay, so let's take a little bit glue from both area. No need too much, guys. Just verify that you are in place. Sorry, I need to see also. It's very hard to make some work when you don't see. But you will forgive me. Okay. Try not to move too much. Try relax when you make it. Okay. We ready for the one area? Yes. Okay. Now, do you see it, guys? The moment of truth. Okay. Let's see if I know I have some dust over there, something that can stay after the painting. Okay, and then what I will do, I will try to find a place. I will take a toothpick, sorry, cotton swab, and hold it and verify this is in place. Just verify this is in place and you can glue it like a pro. Okay, it's a little bit tricky, I know, believe me that I know. Look my hand, how I walk, pack, like a professional. Okay, all you need to do is hold it for a little bit time. Hold it for a little bit time. Try to focus on what you're doing. Yes, if you think it's easy, no, it's not easy. Alpha model will, I promise you, that will make a better solution for us for this clear parts, but for now this is what we have, this is what we will do. Okay, let the glue do the work. Yes, awesome. You see, in this side is already cure and all that. That's why I love this the super glue, because with the super glue you can do amazing thing, guys. Yes, it's holding. If it's still not holding, wait for a couple of seconds and it will be holding. Yes, never mind about this area. Remember, we will do it in 2 steps. So how are you today, guys? Do you enjoy to see me working on real time, on real car? Each time that I build a car, I think to myself, oh, the customer see what I'm doing. Maybe he will not need me anymore and he'll build alone. So he can try. Who say it was easy? Okay, so we have one area, as you can see, one area and one area close. Okay, now all we need to do is put little bit glue on the other area, guys, but I will wait until this will be fully cured and we come back to you guys. Okay, so yes, it's a cure. Let's take little bit glue and we'll put in the center. We want also it will cure over there, so we want to put little bit in the center over there, and on top over there little bit glue, and also in the other area. Okay, no need too much, it will cure, believe me. I do it many times. So if you have a better solution for it, I am here to listen to you. All the time learning. Okay, so now what I will do, first of all, I will verify this is in place, and then I will try to focus to this area. Okay, and I verify this is go all the way down, and yes, we have it, guys. Do you see how I work with both ends? Hold it little bit. Now it's the last point over there. We have it, guys. Yes, we need to wait until it will cure a little bit. Yes, remember? Yes, from this area it's cure. We need little bit time here. What do you think about this technique? It's good? Yes. Okay, it's still not cure. Hold it until it will be cure, guys. This is my technique to make it. If you have any best solution, it's very important to share it, because we also want to learn. But this is more or less what I do with alpha model clear parts. After that I remove the film, and that's it, I think. If it's not cure, you can hold that little bit and use activator. I have activator here. I can spray it little bit, and it will create some. It will turn the glue stronger, and you will see the result. Okay, papam. Guys, do you see how I made it? Very good, very good. This is how I make these two, and also this area. I will do it, and we will come back and we will talk about it, guys. Okay, I hope that you learn and enjoy. Wait for us. Tatam, guys. Yes, as you can see, I finished all the clear parts. I think it's amazing. I not removed the film yet. This why it's look little bit dirty, but after you clean the car and everything, you can remove the film and not touch anymore, and it will be awesome, guys. So keep attention for this. It's good tip for you guys. This part come to an end. On the next part, I bet that you will enjoy. I will show you my technique with the metal sticker of the Ferrari logos, and we will put the mirror, and I will show you also how I clean the car and prepare it for shipping. And that's it, guys. I think this awesome build, I love it so much. We are almost finished here. Don't forget to remove the film, and if you don't know what I'm talking about, if you can see over there, I have a film that I will remove now with you, and you will see how much beautiful. It's clean and nice. Okay, this is what you need to do for the windshield and also the windows and everything. And look, it's amazing, guys. It's so shine and nice. And thank you, guys. Thank you, guys. Have a good day. Bye bye. See you next Friday. We will finish this build, guys. Bye bye.